Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D zoom effect in CapCut for TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, you could open CapCut and create a new project and import your photo or video clips into the timeline. Then you can tap the clip you want to animate and then you can simply go to effects over here and click on style. From here, you can search for 3D zoom effect from the style section and apply it to the clip. If you want smoother manual control on the custom effect, then you can simply select the image or the video and click on this over here. So once you have selected the keyframe, you're going to simply move forward on the timeline and then you can slightly zoom in the image like this. And now you can see that CapCut will create a smooth 3D style motion automatically. You can also add motion blur by going to effects and go to style. You can also add transitions and background music to make the effect look more cinematic for TikTok videos. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.